This is the third of 5 videos describing how to use the UHAC calculators. This video will focus on the rental calculator. The rental calculator is used to determine the affordable rents within an affordable development. To start with the rental calculator, fill out the basic info. Similarly to the distributions calculator and the other calculators, if you do not fill out the basic info, the rest of the calculator will not activate. You can fill in the year, the population targeted by the development, the county, and other information. Additionally, one of the macros available, use basic info from distributions calculator, will pull the information that you entered into the distributions calculator into this calculator, saving you a little bit of effort. Like all macros, this operation cannot be undone. The next section of the rental calculator is the utility allowances. For this to work, you must fill out the structure type, whether each utility or service is included in the rent, and for heating, cooking, and water heating, the specific type of the utility. Here, our example will use a low-rise development where heating, cooking, other electricity, air conditioning are paid by the tenant, but water heating, water, sewer, and trash collection are included in the rent. This example will also use natural gas as the type of utility for each of heating, cooking, and water heating. After you have filled out the first two columns, enter the utility allowance values in the table here. One macro available in this section lets you use the most recent utility allowances from the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs. If you click on this button, it will import the values from the table seen on the right side. You can also enter in values manually. Under the proposed UHAC amendments, which are not effective as of the date of this recording, it will also be possible to use other utility allowances than those provided by DCA. This calculator allows you to do that, but keep in mind, for the time being, that is not yet official. After you have entered the utility allowances, you must enter the income levels for the units in the project. Again, we have a macro that will allow you to pull the information from the distributions calculator if you have filled out the distributions calculator. It will also check if the distributions calculator that you filled out was for rental developments or for sale, and stop you if it was a for sale development. Once you have entered the income levels, you will see the income limits for each household size. The next section, maximum monthly rent, has nothing for you to fill out, but shows the maximum gross rent for each bedroom size and income level, as well as the maximum net rent adjusted for utility allowances for each bedroom size and income level. The next table on the rental calculator is the unit breakdown. This allows you to estimate the total monthly rental income for a development based on a unit breakdown. As with the income level section, the unit breakdown also has a macro that lets you import information from the distributions calculator. Once you have filled out the unit breakdown, the total monthly rental income will be displayed in cell J114. Finally, the rental calculator provides a detailed breakdown for each bedroom count and income level of the maximum gross rent, the maximum net rent, and what exactly goes into the utility allowance. This concludes the video on the rental calculator.